बस हो गया Hello morning people. Well, in this video I will try to what is the exact city mileage. Again, conditions apply based on circumstances, traffic, your riding style is what differs. With my knowledge and experience, 25 to 27 or 28. And one major problem is calibration is not accurate. Fuel is showing 0. I'm sure that vehicle has got at least 3 liters of fuel. Let's fuel it up. Full tank. लॉक करो भैया. हाँ. चेन्नई वॉयेजर. चेन्नई वॉयेजर. वॉयेजर हाँ. नेक तक डालना. बस हो गया. Yeah, fuel 10.32. Fuel is full. 3,717 kilometers the trip meter. And let me zero the trip meter to 0. And now let's go. People, I understand, asking a question in terms of mileage, basically how pocket friendly it can be. Many people want a bike for the daily commute as for touring. So when we focus more about mileage with such category bikes, then you lose the pleasure with the bike, because the power is widespread. You guys can see still on my 6th gear. Oh, is going with this entire family, violated the signal. What is he teaching to his kids? எங்கம்மா போறீங்க? நோ இண்டிகேட்டர், நோ ஹெல்மெட். இவங்களுக்குலாம் யார் லைசன்ஸ் கொடுக்குறானே தெரியல. இப்போ வந்து அதில் அப்போ தான் இதுக்குள்ளே போக ட்ரை பண்ணுறாங்க. The problem when you pass the signal, mistake. Sorry for the bike guy. When orange was there, you have to stop. I assume that just stopped because of the police, or else you would have went past. That is the problem. Well, best part about this bike is, like the city maneuver is definitely not a problem, and the power in 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th gear are amazing. I'm 100% sure as time goes, many will be definitely buying this bike. So it's all about the combination between you and the bike and your expectation. Still you think this bike may not suit you? Yes, it will never suit you. You can see there is no light in this area. So how bad the lights are. Visibility is very bad. I cannot see the potholes. And now there is street lights. I can see the road better. This is not a problem with the Triumph alone. It is a problem with all the LED lights after the BS norms have come in. And the moment I turn on the lights, now I can I can see. Maybe I'll take to you one more spot. I can't see anything. I think, yeah, there is a speed breaker. From the safety point, these white lights are really a concern. And this fog lamp is basically from Maddox. You can see here there is no lights here. Now you can see the visibility is nothing. If I turn on the Aux light, I can see. So this is where the scrambler goes without any problem. Let me turn on the fog lamp so that you can see the road condition. Here I can maneuver it very easily. I can counter the potholes without any problem. Shock absorber does a great job. I can saddle it if it is really bad. And now you can see this road is absolutely bad. You can see it's full of gravel. The tires are doing a great job for this. You can see I'm saddling, and it's not an off-road mode, it's just a normal mode. It does the job perfectly. Well, till now I've done close about approximately 82 kilometers, and I'm going to go to the same fuel station. If you have not skipped this video, you would see the engine never stalled for me in all those 82, 83 kilometers, because I've learned the art of how to handle that. One thing for sure, such high powerful bikes, high cc bikes, don't ride with the mind of mileage. Mileage is important, but don't ride with the mindset of mileage. So the fuel station has come, and 83 kilometers is what I've done. So 83 ஒரு 2 liters தான் பிடிக்கும், பார்த்து போடுங்க. 2 liter போடாதீங்க, அவ்வளோதான் பிடிக்கும். फुल टैंक வேணும். देख के डालिए, यहाँ तक डालिए, ठीक है, नेक तक डालिए. डालिए और थोड़ा डालिए.
2 लीटर.
अरे यार 2 लीटर ही डाला क्या? अरे यार हम आपको और थोड़ा डालना है ना, डाल सकते हैं. कंटिन्यूस डालिए.
அதெல்லாம் கண்டினியூ பண்ண முடியாது. அது கட் பண்ணி தான் அடுத்து தான் போட முடியும். இப்போ இவரு போட்டு தான் 2 லிட்டர்
पढ़ो. बस हो गया. The total fuel what I put is 3 liters, 3.26. I said I slightly messed it. 83 kilometers run, so you can see 83. Okay guys, realized later the kilometer was not visible. So the trip 1 is 85.5. so after the fuel pump I've driven 1.5, so 83 is what I got. You guys can see my trip meter is 3802. I started with 37. I don't remember the number. So this is the end trip kilometer from the main odometer, and this is the trip meter. And I'll also show you the fuel. I couldn't show because people were there. So this is where till neck I did it. Again, there can be few people who might comment. 83 kilometers run divided by 3.26. So 25 is the mileage what I got, and it can go plus or minus 5 to 10%. So as I said, these bikes are not meant for mileage. So he's my friend, and I really appreciate him because at this age he's studying, he's working part time. He bought GT bike and it's all own money. Good man, good, congratulations. சரியா பார்க்கலாம் தம்பி. ஹெல்மெட் போடு, கிட்ட போட்டாலும் ஹெல்மெட் போடு, ஒரு ஹெல்மெட் போடு, important. So with this I will end this vlog. Happy motoring, Jai Hind, take care. Meet you in the next vlog. Until then, bye.